Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to our brothers and sisters all around the world. I'm your brother in faith, Ukasha Kameni, and I endorse the following message by Ustadh Isa ibn Matta. Wa jazakumullahu khayra.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother in faith, Isa ibn Matta with Al-Hirz Institute, here to offer you important information for this summer in 2019 and beyond. Before we talk about what's coming this summer, first I want to tell you about a special program that our esteemed Sheikh Ukasha Kameni had been putting together called Almiya course. It's a one-year alim program in which the students will receive 5 ijazat and 5 important works of Islamic studies, covering Aqidah, Islamic theology and belief, Mustalah al-Hadith, the science of Hadith and the validity of the narrations, as well as Nahu, Arabic grammar, and last but not least, we will memorize a text covering Tajweed. Once we complete these 4 matun together, we will memorize Arba'in al-Nawawi and understand the meaning of the hadith and why the Imam put it together and why that's important for a student of knowledge today and in the future. When a person completes this 1 year of this intensive for this alim program, they will be equipped with the knowledge necessary to go on and specialize in different fields, whether it be fiqh, whether it be hadith, whether it be qira'at, etc. So I'm inviting you all to join us for this important and very special opportunity led by Sheikh Ukasha Kameni, so that we can produce the future lights of Islam and the future scholars of the Ummah for our brothers and for our sisters alike. But before a person can sign up for this 1-year alim program, it is important that you join us this summer for Khuluqun Azim, where we will learn the sublime character of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and how he imparted that knowledge and that wisdom unto the Sahaba and those who follow them in goodness until the Day of Judgment. Jazakumullahu khairan for your time. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.